Yeah, nigga, you already know what I do. I make it rain money. Yeah, nigga, I make it rain money. Yeah, nigga, I make it rain money. So, yeah, let's go, nigga. I make it rain money cause I feel like a G. I make it rain money cause that's just me. I make it rain money cause I got my own country, living how I want, getting what I want. Cause I make it rain money. Yeah, nigga, I make it rain money. I'm making so much money that I got me some chains. I feel I'm bigger than 2 chains. So does that make me 4 chains? Even though I got 12 chains? Shit, I'm fucking loaded with money. Loaded with money. Yeah. I only make it rain a certain dollar bill. I don't make it rain Washingtons, Jeffersons, Lincolns, Hamiltons, Jacksons, or Grants, nigga. Cause I only make it rain Franklins, Franklins. I only make it rain Franklins, Franklins, nigga. I make it rain cause I feel like a G. I make it rain cause that's just me. I make it rain money cause I got my own country, living how I want, getting what I want. Cause I make it rain money. Cause I make it rain money, yeah. Cause I make it rain money, yeah. Cause I make it rain money, yeah. Man, I'm feeling like Rick Ross in my Maybach. But there's a difference between me and him. I got guns on my back, and there ain't nothing that I lack, nigga. So fuck y'all that be hating.